Genesis 19, verse 12. And the man said unto Lot, Hast thou here any besides son-in-law in thy sons and thy daughters? And whatsoever thou hast in the city, bring them out of this place.
For we will destroy this place, because the cry of them is waxen great before the face of the Lord, and the Lord hath sent us to destroy it.
And Lot went out and spake unto his son-in-law, which married his daughters, and said, Get you out of this place, for the Lord will destroy this city. But he seemed as one that mocked unto his son-in-law.
And when the morning arose, then the angels hastened Lot, saying, Arise, take thy wife and thy two daughters, which are here, lest thou be consumed in the iniquity of the city.
And while he lingered, the men laid hold upon his hand, and upon the hand of his wife, and upon the hand of his two daughters, the Lord being merciful unto him, and they brought him forth and set him without the city.
And it came to pass, when they had brought them forth abroad, that he said, Escape from thy life, look not behind thee, neither stay thou in all the plain, escape to the mountain, lest thou be consumed.
And Lot said unto them, O not so, my Lord.
Behold now, thy servant hath found grace in thy sight, and thou hast magnified thy mercy, which thou hast shewed unto me in saving my life. And I cannot escape to the mountain, lest some evil take me, and I die.
Behold now, this city is near to flee unto, and it is the little one. O, let me escape thither. It is not a little one, and my soul shall live.
And he said unto him, See, I have accepted thee concerning this thing also, that I will not overthrow this city, for the which thou hast spoken.
Haste thither, escape thither, for I cannot do anything till thou be come thither. Therefore the name of the city was called Zoar.
The sun was risen upon the earth when Lot entered into Zoar.
And then the Lord rained upon Sodom and upon Gomorrah brimstone and fire from the Lord out of heaven.
And he overthrew those cities and all the plain, and all the inhabitants of the cities, and that which grew upon the ground.
Last verse, sabay-sabay na tayo sa verse 26.
But his wife looked back from behind him, and she became a pillar of salt.
This is the word of